Do you feel disappointed from your grades? Do you feel disheartened? Do you feel that you could have done better? Do you feel that others will treat you with disdain? Don't be upset because you can definitely succeed. Hi, I am Diksha Gupta and I'm doing PhD. During this long academic career of mine, I have learned important success principles which work on mindset. And I believe if I had learned them earlier, I could have multiplied my achievements. And I don't want you to miss the chance in your early age. That's why I'm sharing these concepts with you in 7 different videos, which will help you in improving your performance in your coming academic year. Mental self image is the first and the foremost success concept that I'm going to share with you today. You will learn what it is and how to define it. Self image is our own conception of the type of person I am. Whether we realize it or not, each of us carries a mental self image. It has been built up from our own beliefs about ourselves. But most of these beliefs have been constructed from our past experiences, from our failures and successes, and the way other people have reacted to us. From all these, we mentally construct a self image. Let's say each of us has an innovative system within us, which works automatically and impersonally to achieve our goals of success and happiness, or failure and unhappiness. So, if we present our innovative system with success goals and it functions as a success mechanism, and if we present it with negative goals and it operates just as faithfully as a failure mechanism. For example, in past, as a success type person, when you unconsciously fed information into your innovative system that I can pass this exam and deserve high score, and you worked hard, boom, got great results. But when you send information into your system like I am unworthy, inferior, I don't deserve to stand out, I can't give presentation in front of my class, I can't pass this exam, I can't score high no matter how much I try because I'm not intelligent and smart enough, then you didn't even bother to put your full effort to learn the subject. Or your professors, teachers, or family members said you can't succeed in something and you believed in them, what they said, and even if you tried and still your report card tells the disappointing story. Does it sound familiar to you? When you conceive yourself a failure type person, you will find some way to fail. Now I hope you understood what self-image is and why it is so effective to your performance and why you must leave your old picture of yourself and replace it with a new success image. Now how will you build a new mental picture of yourself? For that, I'm going to give you 5 basic principles by which your innovative system operates. But before I give you these principles, you must know yourself, both your strengths and your weaknesses, and be honest with yourself concerning both. You must not be ashamed of who you are and expressing yourself creatively. Now, here are 5 principles. First, write down your specific goal. Second, begin with end in mind. What kind of personality you want to have? Write down in one-line statement. For example, goal is I want to be a confident person and a high achiever. And the outcome is I am a confident person and a high achiever. But mastering in these 2 principles won't happen in just one day. With this, we come to third principle. Don't be afraid of making mistakes or of your temporary failures. By making mistakes, your brain is understanding what does not work. Look around how a child learns to walk after falling so many times. Fourth principle, we learn a new skill by trial and error. Pay attention to your thoughts. If they do not match with your new self-image, correct them. And finally, you must learn to trust your mind to provide you new ideas to succeed in building your new self-image. Remember what Thomas Edison said, our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Persist in playing your new role as a success type person. Like I can do it, I am smart and intelligent enough, I deserve high score. Even if your new self-image feels phony, a little uncomfortable or unnatural to you. I ask you to reserve your critical judgments at least for a month so that you give yourself a fair opportunity to experience these principles in your life. Hey guys, if you have any question about this concept, don't hesitate to reach out to me via email. which you can find in the description below. And do you know, you are not alone. Your classmates or friends also think of themselves that they are not a success type person. So share it with your friends you care about. And always remember, I firmly believe that you can succeed. And we will meet soon with 6 other success mindset concepts. Until I see you next time, keep achieving your higher self. Bye.